The Fox 54 Weather Now Tower Cam Network, sponsored by Brighter Side Roofing.
Happy Sunday. Here's a live look over the Fox 54 Studio Tower Cam Network. Looks like it's having a little bit of a glitch right now, but we do have quite a lot of activity in the area for today. If you just saw that behind me, that was a thunderstorm moving over Evans and closer towards, let's say, Washington Road and Columbia Road for this evening. Downtown Augusta time lapse. Here is that time lapse version. Right about the 7 o'clock mark is when we started to see some of these thunderstorms pick up, especially for Richmond County here in downtown Augusta and almost over the river into North Augusta. That's where we saw quite a bit of activity, a severe thunderstorm warning for today. That expired about 8:45, and now we are just monitoring those thunderstorms that are slow moving but still have a potential for some flash flooding in our area. So there's that thunderstorm line currently making its way from Edgefield over towards Thompson. Quite a lot of lightning on that board. Now, flood advisory still in place for those northern counties as well, and then flood warnings towards Columbia and over towards Atlanta. We're still monitoring that threat for some heavier rainfall through about midnight tonight. So heavier rainfall right now down towards the south of Allendale and up towards Denmark here. And you see a little bit of a heavier rain patch. And then this is where that thunderstorm line is moving through. This is the secondary thunderstorm line seen today closer towards Edgefield. Clarks Hill getting hit pretty hard right now as well. So hopefully nobody's on the water at this hour doing any of those late night fishing trips. So stay safe, stay aware, but these winds are going to be very nice and calm, but still it is very dangerous for anybody out in the area today. Now closer towards Ward and then up towards Saluda, also still seeing some lightning activity. And then on a more regional scale, we have that cold front moving through. So lots of low pressure in place, currently stalling out right over us here in the CSRA. So the hot air fighting against that cool air is really creating an unstable condition for today. So 48-hour futurecast, this is kind of what we're looking at going into the midnight hour tonight. We're going to continue to see some of these heavier showers and thunderstorms for those northern counties, especially towards Aiken. We had a lot of viewers in Aiken today say they saw lightning just lighting up the sky here on Facebook. So keep that in mind. It is going to still remain very active throughout the night and make its way down towards the south. That's Allendale, Burt County, and Swainsboro by about 3 a.m. That all moves on out for the morning. Couple of stray showers and storms, still a possibility, but we're really monitoring that after about 2 p.m. for tomorrow. So there's those pop-up showers and thunderstorms for the afternoon and evening. Will continue for the next 7 days as well. So we're going to see a lot of activity in the afternoon hours. Tonight, 73 degrees, cloudy, and storms are still a possibility. We saw in the futurecast till about 3 a.m. now, so those are going to move down towards the south with the wind direction change. For tomorrow, 92 degrees, mostly cloudy, afternoon showers and thunderstorms pretty much on repeat. In that drought, we still need about 6 to 7 inches in the next month to help get us out of this drought for those farmers. But luckily, some of this rain is helping just a bit, and that's going to be seen about 2 to 5 inches in the next 7 days or so. Now, interestingly enough, this area right here, that dark red, that is going to be the tropical storm Burl that's making its way through the area. Eventually going to bring us some precipitation as well. Not nearly what they're seeing towards Texas. So next 7 days, we're going to be staying nice and stormy, temperatures into the 90s as well. That's 95 degrees by next Sunday, and unsettled weather continuing as well.